This is what 90,000 bees look and sound like. If only you could smell them too. We get a little bit of the alarm pheromone smell. Listen to them. Some bees are on the outside of the package, is what we call the containers that they're in. So a few bees ride along all the way from California. I just had them in my car for about an hour and a half driving. Some little feet sticking out here, or feelers sticking out every so often. Just keep watching there. Yeah, see them there. So over here I see some sticking out. Feeder can on top here. Sugar syrup in the feeder can. And some mini marshmallows, because the queen cages have cork on each end, and we'll have to pop out the cork and put in a mini marshmallow. So they provide the mini marshmallows. Want to be sure not to eat those before you need them. So stick them in one end, and that way the queen can't come out right away. The bees need to eat through the marshmallow. Build a campfire, roast the marshmallow, then eat it, and then they can get the queen out. That's true except for the roasting part and the fire. I built the fire in the smoker. So the smoker's going ready. I don't usually use a smoker when I'm installing package bees, but this year we've got bees already at the hives because I took the bees about 2 miles away. So the foragers came back home. Can you believe it? So I'm not going to get too close because yesterday they stung my ears when I did this to check on them. I don't have my veil on yet. Alright, we're going to get them in there. Well, the bees are installed. You can see their packages there. Looks like they're going in and out from the back side on that one. Got a hole there I didn't realize. I'll have to put some tape on that. So 2 hives there, 2 hives here. Got a couple more up that way. I'll run you up there a minute to see those as well. Can you hear the bees? I like that sound. Here's what I have. I'm going to put this in the feeder port. It's a quart jar with a little holes poked in the lid. Surface tension keeps the liquid from coming out the holes. And the bees can access it through that feeder right there, which is attached to their hive entrance. So I'm going to place this in there. A few drops will spill out and nestle it right in there tight. And we should be good. Hopefully the bees will find that and use it for the energy that they need to make wax. That's why it's very important to feed the bees when they're young, when they're new like this. They don't have the resources, they don't have the honey in that hive to make wax, so we need to give them sugar syrup. And here are those other hives. A couple of package beehives here, just installed today. Third one right there. Nucleus colony that overwintered, lived through the winter, now it's requeening itself. Oops, a bee just landed on my neck. Not to sting, just to land there, because I'm standing in a flight path. So they're requeening themselves, I hope. They're trying to make a new queen, and we'll see what happens there. If they don't successfully requeen themselves, I'll use those bees to boost the populations of another hive. And we have a full-size colony here. Notice most of the bees are back at the hive, pretty much. Not much flight activity at the entrance. And then a fourth package beehive here. Try to get right in there for you. I know it sounds scrunchy when I'm walking because these are dry right now. You can see bees with their abdomen up right there. That's the Nasanov pheromone. It's the come hither pheromone. They're scenting to say, here's home. Queen is here. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I love seeing that. Some bees are still in that package, just flying in, flying out. Once it gets cool tonight, I think they'll all be in the hive. In the morning, I can come and grab those things before they start flying. Pretty fun stuff.